In this lesson, we will be updating our configuration to support authentication with JWT tokens. So we'll need a JWT secret to sign our JWT tokens. So I'm going to go to the environment file here, and I'm just going to add a new entry to this list. And I'm just going to call it secret, but it should probably be a longer string for better security. So let's go back to our configuration and add the JWT secret. So okay, so now that that's added to our secret, I will see you, or our configuration, I'll see you in the next lesson.